Tell me about yourself.
Hello, my name is Hans-Sandro Valenzuela. I am a currently TVL student. I am a dedicated and organized individual who enjoys solving problems or working with a team. I'm looking for a student assistant position to gain practical experience and contribute to the campus community.
Why are you applying as a student assistant?
I believe this role is an excellent opportunity to apply my skills in a professional setting while continuing my studies. I want to contribute to the efficient operation of the provincial college student and learn more about office administration or customer service.
What are the lessons that you learned as a student that you can use as a student assistant?
As a student, I've learned the importance of time management, balancing my academic workload with other responsibilities. I've also developed strong research skills and the ability to work effectively in a group projects, which I believe are directly applicable to responsibilities of a student assistant.
What motivates you to pursue this path of being a student and a student assistant at the same time?
I am motivated by the opportunity to challenge myself and grow both academically and professionally. Being a student assistant will allow me to develop practical skills, gain a better understanding of the college operations, and contribute to a supportive campus environment.
Where do you see yourself 5 years from now?
In 5 years, I see myself working in a stable career related to my field, gaining more experience, and continuing to improve myself to achieve professional growth.
What are your strengths?
My strengths include being highly organized and a reliable team player. For example, I always meet deadlines for my academic projects and enjoy coordinating with my groupmates to ensure our work is completed efficiently.
What do you consider to be your weaknesses?
I sometimes find it difficult to delegate tasks because I prefer to ensure they are done perfectly. I am actively working on this by trusting my team members more and providing clear instructions to ensure tasks are complete correctly.
How will you manage your weaknesses?
I have a tendency to be a perfectionist, which sometimes causes me to spend too much time on a single task. I am working on this by prioritizing my tasks more effectively and setting time limit for each task to ensure I can complete everything on time.
How would your classmates and teachers describe you?
My classmates and teachers would describe me as a responsible and hardworking student. They would also say that I am a good listener and reliable team member who was always willing to help others.
Tell me about the toughest decision that you must make as a student.
The toughest decision I've had to make was choosing to focus on my final exam during a time when my friends were planning a major outing. It was a difficult choice, but I knew that my academic responsibilities had to be my top priority.
What are the qualities of a good student assistant?
A good student assistant should be reliable, organized, and have strong communication skills. They should also be quick learner, have a positive attitude, and be willing to take on new tasks to support the team.
How do you handle a difficult situation?
When faced with a difficult situation, I remain calm and objective. My first step is to understand this problem fully by gathering all the facts. Then, I consider various solutions and communicate with others involved to find out the most effective and respectful way to resolve the issue.
Why should we hire you?
You should hire me because I am a highly motivated and dedicated student with strong organizational skills and a positive attitude. I am a quick learner and I am eager to contribute to the success of your team and the college community.